Hey guys, it's lightsaber here with my boo.
Hello.
And I got peer pressured into this. And this. I'm building my own lightsaber. Very excited to see what we gotta do. So yeah, I'll try and record inside and show you guys what it's all about. Cool.
You could try to do a video on it.
Maybe. Or just kind of show the experience.
Bye.
Cool. We'll see you inside.
This wing will be right here, and our final credentials will place them right on top for us. All right, everybody has credentials, and everybody has a spot. Builders, welcome to the workshop. Now, I know it's a little, well, okay, it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. You've met my friends. You may call me Kembe. I realize this looks like a lot of old junk. So let me make one thing perfectly clear. Some of this is new junk. I thought that would be funnier. I'm sorry. Still pleasing everyone. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy looking for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So, where a stormtrooper sees only worthless clutter, those in the know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past might be the key to ensuring our future. Are you familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker? Excellent, good. We hear there is another Jedi, a scrapper like us. Does anyone know her name? Rey, precisely. What she's building needs the spark of hope we've been waiting for. And that's why you've joined us today, to look ahead to the future. And, of course, to build this, a lightsaber. Okay, everyone together. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. Wow, okay, enough talk, let's begin. Start with perhaps the most crucial element of the lightsaber, kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. You could say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. I'm sure you recognize these from some of our great Jedi heroes. The blue crystal, wielded by great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now we hear red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn. Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. Some call it the color of power. It's the crystal of Darth Maul, Saj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. Time for you to begin building your lightsaber. Let's start with choosing the kyber crystal. Everyone go ahead and close your eyes for me, please. Now, in your mind's eye, what color do you see first? What color calls to you? All right, open your eyes, choose your crystal. Remember, though, it is equally likely the crystal is choosing you.
Purple. Hey man, it's my go-to.
I think it's a good choice. Purple represents a balance between the light side and the dark side of the force, much like Mace Windu in his fighting style in Form 5.
Cool. So cool.
God, I realized how nerdy I just sounded.
Hey man.
You're okay.
It's fine.
It's okay.
You're not the one building a lightsaber here.
It's okay. I wasn't the one pressured into it.
If you've not done so, please go ahead and place your crystal on the green crystal tray in front of you. Time to marry your crystal to your hilt. Your hilt. That is your center of control. Your hilt is where you wield your power. Your hilt is also the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Just as you selected your crystal, you will select individual pieces to create your unique lightsaber. You have everything you need in the boxes in front of you. You start all the way to the left with the chassis. The next you have the activation plates, followed by the grips, the emitter, and finally the pummel caps. Building a lightsaber can be very tricky. Fortunately, you have the gatherers here to assist you and answer any questions.
Well, I know I'm going this
They
way.
are very knowledgeable about lightsabers, so pay close attention. However, before we begin, builders, I do need to know, are you ready? Yes. Perfect. Let's build.
All right, guys. Right, so first thing we gotta do is get the crystal in this little opening right now.
Okay.
So there's a spring at the very top of the opening.
I see.
The way I do it is I put the pointy extend up against the spring and just kind of push it up and slide it into place.
Gotcha.
So it looks like that.
Come on, buddy.
You almost had it.
Come on, Crystal. You know what? You know what, buddy? We're gonna have a tough time. if
Would
you're
you
gonna
like a hand?
fail. No, I have hands. I have 2 of them.
Lycos Lore versus Mace Windu's crystal.
It's my crystal, not Mace Windu's. There. It's upside down, but it works.
So long as the Kyber's in there.
Slow and that's what counts.
Beautiful.
All right, now we're gonna go on to power 5, the activation switch. Activation switch is all color coded. I'm gonna pick one page or the other pair. Each piece you pick up has a color on it, either gonna be red or blue. So look at the bottom of each
I like the silver better.
red or blue square right there.
Yep.
That's gonna go right over the same 2 colors on the chassis. So red goes over red, and then blue will go over blue.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this.
You have a good switch. Sounds like that.
Hang on. Oh, wait.
Push that up from the very bottom. From the very bottom.
Uh-oh. Okay, there we go.
Alright, so you got that on. You can go to columns 1 and 2. Those are your grips. There's 4 in there. You're going to pick 2. Any 2 at all. Mix and match those.
Beautiful.
Now, each piece has a little silver strip on it. That's going to go towards the switch, okay?
Gotcha.
Alright, I heard that. So next you're going to pick your grips. There's the 4 color. You get to pick 2. Any 2. Mix and match those all you want.
Alright.
They go toward the activation button.
This little silver strip here has to go towards the switch.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Just to let you know, that's the top of the saber.
Put that red square right on top.
Okay, yeah.
There we go.
Strap and bone, bone and steel.
Slide up on your switch.
I like the scale.
I say go with the leather wrap or the leather strap. It looks the most comfortable. And cute.
Silver strip has to go towards the switch. And just apply some pressure and twist it to the right.
Yes, I want this to be big. I like this one.
You know, it always sounds like a good idea when it's a good price, and then it makes you question your price.
Up to the thing, twist it to the right.
2 of the 4,
Oh.
and 2 of the 4. Just pick which 2 you want.
Oh, wait there. Twist. I gotta twist them? Okay. Richard, you're gonna have to twist them.
The gatherer in front of you. Talking to the next guest.
Okay. Like, are we good? Did I do it right?
Check it out. Yeah. this one's
Okay,
not
you see
tight
that
around
thicker
the
silver
outside.
ring? We're gonna put that in towards the middle, and we're gonna put it down and twist. We're gonna rotate it down.
Ah, effective.
Ooh, faulty piece.
Jawas.
Yeah, that's better.
There we go. Beautiful.
So, now you have your emitters and your pommel caps.
Yeah, emitter first, then pommel cap.
I could stick with like the kind of bone thing. Or could get this like weird one with like this
We are
weird
so very
dark
happy to provide this service to you, but I would like to remind you, lightsabers are technically contraband on our ground right now. So if anyone stops you, we don't know where you got these. Also, we have never seen you before. But otherwise, please enjoy your shrapnel.
Anything is legal if the First Order / Empire is not around.
I already knew what phone was.
Okay, good.
That was the easy one.
Now it's the emitter.
Yeah, because like, I don't know, do I like it? Truly. If I don't like it, I'll just take it off.
How does that feel?
Okay, let's kind of weird.
Now, in a few moments, we're going to start our process again. Oh, all right.
I can already tell you which one I want.
Or maybe do I want? Oh man, I can.
Wish I had the red for it.
Man, I already know my answer now. This one does not. This one's not vibing with me.
He did say building a lightsaber is an art.
Exactly. Like if it's not vibing with me, then I'm like, bro, we gotta work together, man. There we go.
Now, in a few moments, we're going to start our process of activation. We are force sensitive, so we can't actually activate crystals on our own. This is why we have the chambers to help us out. They can't be sensitive and bubbles out, so we like to make sure that everything is perfectly pre-built before we move on. But I don't want you to have any concerns. It's been a good 5 months since we lost a thumb. 4? Okay, you know what? We've never lost a thumb. Let's focus on that. All right, if you've not done so, go ahead and place your hands on your hilts. Feel that connection between you and your saber. This is your Christmas now. How old are you? Oh, it's time. Right. Please leave your sabers on your hilt holders. Take a couple steps back from your stations. Gatherers, please proceed. Right now, the gatherer is going to place your sabers in the chambers. This is when we start our activation process. Again, we are going to make certain everything is perfect before moving on, because one, cracked crystal or an inverted emitter, and we might have another explosion. An explosion! Sorry. Might have an explosion. Sorry. I don't know what you might have heard. The majority of these holes were in the ceiling when we moved in. So no reason for you to be concerned. I'm not even going to leave the room or put on goggles. I have absolute faith in this process. And you're not worried. You're leaning against a case full of thermal detonators. Excellent. Now, as you see, we've discovered a potential issue and we're fixing before there are any other problems. We do take safety very seriously here at the workshop. It is a personal insult to me if we have to get out of 0 days since our last incident time. So we make sure everything is perfect. Also, this gives me time, if this is your first time on the planet, try the Blue Milk. It's local, so you're helping out local farmers and local economy. You can purchase green milk, it's just really gross. Yes.
Blue milk is awesome.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. Builders, when I tell you, I'd like you to step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and when I give you the signal, together we will activate our lightsabers for the very first time. Builders, are you ready?
Yeah!
Then it's time. Step forward, place your hand on your switch, and activate.
That's not working.
Builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high.
Oh.
Now, build a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them.
I love how every saber is all red and purple. Ah, there is much dark side in this room.
There it is.
Builders, please lower your
Every
lightsabers.
single one is either red or purple.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Oh, that was funny. All right. So in order to protect your saber and keep it safe from those who might confiscate it, we are pleased to present you with this saber sheath upon your departure. Our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as these lightsabers you have built. And who knows, maybe next time, we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your lightsabers and activate. Till the spire! Congratulations, lead your way out of the workshop. Promptly, the galaxy awaits you, and